Is it hot in one room and cold in another? A mini split might be just the thing for you. Hi, I'm Brent with Western Heating+Air+Plumbing, and we're here to talk about mini splits today. If you've traveled abroad or are paying attention in general to the HVAC world, you may find the mini split is a popular product these days. It consists of an indoor wall mount unit, usually mounts high on the wall, and then an outdoor condensing unit. Looks somewhat similar to your traditional AC unit. These units are incredibly efficient. They use electricity to heat and to cool, and they're effective at heating your home even when the outdoor temperatures are as low as minus 17 degrees outside. So even a high mountain cabin home mini split could be a great solution for that. They work great in a bonus room or a primary bedroom or workshop or anywhere you need supplemental heating or cooling. They can also be used as the sole source of heating and cooling for an entire home. We have installed these units in every room in a house before, and it works great. In addition to that, if you don't have any ductwork in your home, this may be the solution to heat and cool your home. Maintenance is really simple on these units. They consist of just a little filter in there that just has to be rinsed out about once a month. Some of the downsides to a mini split are they can be somewhat costly up front. Some people don't prefer the way they look. I personally love them. While the upfront price may be somewhat costly, there are currently rebates and incentives that help offset that cost. If a ductless mini split sounds like the right thing for you, we at Western Heating, Air & Plumbing would love to help. Please reach out for a free consultation.